In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively use Google Tools along with Canva to enhance your design projects. Now, whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or someone who's just dipping their toes into the world of visual content creation, these tips are going to help you make those designs truly stand out. First off, we're going to start at a point you're probably quite familiar with if you've been using Canva, and that is going to your Canva project. Open it up and make sure that you're all set and ready to dive into making some adjustments. Now, you might wonder why we're heading to Canva for a guide with Google. Well, pairing tools can often beautifully enroll visual storytelling and innovation. Once you have your project open, the next step revolves around working with text, which is a central part of most designs. What you're going to want to do here is duplicate your text elements. This might seem redundant at first, but it'll all make sense as we go through the process. By duplicating, we're essentially preparing a backup with which we can experiment, one that won't disturb our original design should we wish to revert any changes. With your duplicated text ready, it's time to focus on the specific letter or part of the text that you want to make bigger, more pronounced, or simply different in style. Remove everything else from the duplicated text, isolating the letter you want to emphasize. Simultaneously, go back to your original text and remove that same letter to keep it from doubling up on your canvas. Now comes the fun part. Taking that single letter you've isolated, go ahead and change its font size. You can increase it until it reaches a size that satisfies your vision and your design's needs. This is where your creativity can really shine. Experiment with the size and consider trying out different fonts or styles to see what catches your eye. A little tip here. Balancing textual hierarchy is crucial in graphic design. It helps guide the viewer's eye and emphasizes what's most important. Once you've got that enlarged character looking just right, bring it back over to your original set of texts. Arrange it by aligning it with the now incomplete word or phrase from which it was originally taken. This integration not only adds emphasis, but brings a dynamic element to your design, offering a polished, professional look. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've added a unique, stylish flair to your text using Canva and a touch of ingenuity. This method provides an excellent way to highlight words or phrases and capture attention in your design projects, ensuring your work stands out impressively. Thanks for following along, and let's continue exploring creative techniques together.